Grabe na yarn, Jericho na in love sa Polaroid photos ng nobyang si Janine. Nagbahagi ang multi-awarded actress TV host na si Janine Gutierrez ng ilang throwback photo na Polaroid. Ayon sa naging caption ng dalaga, "Got a new Polaroid, took some pics." Agad-agad namang nagkomento dito ang nobyong si Jericho Rosales na tila kinikilig at in love sa nobya. Fire in the comments cause of the siren, OMY. At sinagot naman agad ito ni Janine at Jericho Rosales, official. Babadu. Kitang-kita naman sa mga ibinahaging mga larawan na so sexy ni Janine na tila nagliliyab ang alindog. Samot-sari naman ang naging hanash na mga netizens regarding dito. OMG, can I borrow? Yay, ang ganda. Napaka naman. So hot. Love. Cute. Forever my beach girly. I love you, Nini. Love you and echo to a million pieces. Please stay safe and healthy. Hi, Janine. I am from Burundi and I just want to say how much I love your performance in Dirty Linen. You were absolutely amazing and power. You really made the story come alive. Even here in Africa, we are touched by your taken. Thank you for giving us such a beautiful performance, and now a big fan of yours and can wait to see more of your work. Much love and respect from Wandan. Sinagot naman agad ito ni Janine ng, "Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This means so much. Love from Manila. Hot and sexy, I love you. The Polaroids are giving superstar energy in the 60s. Napakaganda. Stunning beauty. This, the Polaroid go. So sexy my idol. So cute love. Forever my baba. Super sexy and so hot. I love you. Pinainit mo lalo ang Pinas Janine. So sexy and so beautiful. Lakas maka-80s ang peg. My fave girl. So hot my idol. Hope to see you during my vacation in Pinas. Fan from Milan. I am so in love with you." Tila nag-iinit at lalong na in love si Echo sa mga larawan na yon ni Janine na kahit throwback photos ay kitang-kita pa rin ang kaseksihan ng dalaga na talaga namang mapapawaw ka. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.